recorder instrument from scratch. So now, in this tutorial video, I'm going to take on introduction to the recorder. First things first, what is the recorder? The recorder is a woodwind musical instrument. It produces sound when air is blown in it. It is one of the easiest instruments to learn. This is not a lie. Under a space of 3 months, I used to learn this wonderful instrument from beginners down to advanced. But at times, I'm going to teach you guys how to play from scratch up to the point where we become advanced in it. The next thing is that it is used in school, churches, in solo performance, and many more. Then we move to why we learn the recorder. This is just a personal question. Why are you learning the recorder? For me, I'm learning the recorder because it's easier for you and I can carry it anywhere that I'm going to. But let's go down to the points on the board. Why learn the recorder? Number 1, easy to start playing. Number 2, it's affordable. Number 3, it improves breath control. And then finally, it develops finger coordination. As time goes, you will see how it's being played and how the finger moves from time to time. Now, the types of the recorder. The recorder has 4 major types. They have the soprano recorder, they have the alto recorder, they have the tenor recorder, and finally they have the bass recorder. But the subsequent times, after we have finished learning the soprano recorder, we move further to the alto recorder, and then finally the tenor and then the bass. Now, parts of the recorder. The recorder just have some major parts you need to know. So I've been discussing with people of the same class, you know how to do it. You have your mouthpiece where you blow your air in. Then you have the labyrinth. The labyrinth is the tiny spots where air forces itself to pass through. Then finally you have the head joint. The point between here and here is called the head joint. Then finally you have your finger holes. Your finger holes is where you place your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. With that, I'm going to teach you how to hold the recorder. But for now, let's learn the parts of the recorder. Then we have the middle joint. This is the middle joint that goes to the top and then that holds the head and finally the bell. Then finally we have the bell. The bell is just where the air passes through. When it's being blown in from here, this is where it exits the recorder. Alright. Now we are moving to how the recorder produces sounds. For me at first, I saw this to be something mysterious, but going down to the research, I now summarize it into a 4 bullet points, which is the first one. Air travels through the wind way, which is the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece will now introduce your air to it. From there now it moves. The air strikes the labyrinth. The labyrinth is this point, the forceful edge where the air moves forcefully to this edge and then it makes a sound. From there, it creates vibration. As this recorder is from this point, you can make different sounds like. So all those things are the different vibrations you get. With time goes on, I'll show you guys different effects you can use to play the recorder that will make it sound meticulously when you are playing. The next one we have the opening and closing of holes changes its pitch. Let me demonstrate. Like now, this is a pitch. This one now, this one. So the opening and closing of different holes in this particular finger holes changes the pitch of the recorder as you blow air through a mouthpiece. Okay guys, finally with this we come to the end of this particular tutorial section. From our next class, we are going to discuss on correct posture we have to take when playing the recorder. We are going to take proper playing techniques, how you are going to breathe in and out when playing the recorder. Finally, we are going to learn how to hold the recorder despite any scenarios at all. Then I just want to leave you guys with a little bit of assignment that needs to keep your curiosity for you to keep on coming to my page. So now the assignment is the recorder a standard instrument? The second question is, what is a pitch? What is a rhyme? And finally, what is an octave? Thank you. Alright guys, with this we come to the end of this particular section. I would like you guys to subscribe, like and comment to give me that encouragement for me to keep on wonderful things I'll make you to learn this wonderful story. Thank you.